We're back, Tech Nation, with 2025 Cruising the Coast. So we're back, and this is the first official video. This is the first official video. Thank y'all so much for allowing us to record your beautiful cars and trucks. Welcome to Tank Nation.
All right, man.
So this is 2025 Cruising the Coast. Hey, how long y'all been doing this?
27 for me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we've been in this spot 8 years.
That's awesome. We're so glad to have y'all here. We appreciate the effort y'all put in these beautiful cars.
Thank you, man.
Awesome.
Good time.
So we're gonna go ahead and look and check them out here.
I want everybody to be safe.
Absolutely.
I want everybody to be safe.
Absolutely.
Y'all have a
Last
good
year,
time.
yeah.
Be safe. That's what we're looking for.
Absolutely. We had some fatalities last year, unfortunately.
Yeah,
So
it happens.
Yeah.
But hey, we
Yeah.
want everybody to have a good time. We want everybody to be safe.
absolutely. Thank y'all so much. So I'm gonna let y'all check it out, and y'all hit me up and let me know what y'all think about this. Look at this. Look at this Ford. This F100 here. Gorgeous car, or gorgeous truck rather. And there we go. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Route 66. Oh, it's a Jeep. Oh, is that a Jeep? That's a Jeep. Oh wow. They everywhere. They are everywhere. I have no idea what I'm looking at, but it's gorgeous. Wow, look at the inside of that. Y'all probably see my reflection. You probably can't see it. So how did that? Man, that is. This never gets old. This never gets old. It never gets old. It never gets old. It never. And y'all see my old Rusty. Y'all see old Rusty over there.
Hey man, what year's your truck?
I think it's the 81.
You a YouTuber? Chad, what you think?
Mama, look at that. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Alrighty, we're gonna finish it off with this one. We're gonna go chase some more cars, but this is the official first Cruising the Coast 2025 here on Tank Nation. So once again, thank y'all so much, and let me know, what is this? Boop boop.